Here's a simple step-by-step guide to remove unauthorized devices from your Amazon account. Open your browser, go to Amazon.com, and sign in. You must be logged in to manage your connected devices. At the top right, hover over Account and Lists and click Account. This opens your main Amazon account dashboard. Scroll down and click Manage Your Content and Devices. This is where Amazon stores all your registered devices. At the top, click the Devices tab. You'll now see everything connected to your Amazon account: phones, tablets, computers, Fire TVs, Alexa devices, Kindles, and more. Look through the list and check for devices you don't recognize, locations you've never been to, devices you no longer use, old phones you forgot to remove. Click on any suspicious device to see more details. To remove a device, click Deregister. Amazon will immediately sign that device out of your account and block future access. Repeat this for every unknown device you find. After removing unauthorized devices, go back to Account, Login, and Security. Click Edit next to Password and create a new one. This ensures the removed device cannot sign in again. Lastly, enable two-step verification to prevent future unauthorized logins. This adds a security code every time someone tries signing in. And that's how you remove unauthorized devices and secure your Amazon account.